Hello, everybody. So, after 1 month on GramFree, like you can see, I have more grams than what I want. And the cost it's actually $4, so it's very really good. And I continue. Like you can see, I have walls, really much walls, smart contract and I watch video because we must watch video for understand how this application working, understand how make more gram in your balance. I have referral too, but one referral it's active on six of it, so people must learn and understand how this application work for continue and be courageous because it's not easy, it's slow, you must take time, but don't worry, continue working every day on gram free, and I'm sure after 1 month you have like me gram for free and you make money, so it's not so hard, just working.